Hello students, welcome back to this chapter playing with numbers. The last video I have seen is reversing the numbers of two-digit number. Okay. Now you'll see reversing the digits, that is three-digit number. When you reverse the three-digit number, then what is the process? So again this Sundaram and Meenakshi started again playing the game with three-digit number. So Sundaram said, think of three-digit number. So Meenakshi has taken three-digit number as 349. Okay, 349. Next, he said to reverse the order of the digits. So now make a new number by putting the digits in reverse order and subtract the smaller number from the larger one. So she has reversed the number 349. So after reversing, 943 coming, 943. Okay, this is the reverse order of this number. Then difference, that means minus. So this minus this. So after difference, it is coming 594. Then he said to divide this answer by 99. After dividing, he said that there will be no remainder. That means it will completely divide. So yes, it is completely dividing and answer is coming 6. So why he said to divide by 99? In case of three-digit number, why it is said to divide with 99? Now let's see where is the trick. So here is the formula. Okay, here is the trick. So suppose three-digit number is ABC. So what is the general form of three-digit number? So A is in 100 place, B is in tens place, C is in ones place. So it will be what? 100A plus 10B plus C. 100A plus 10B plus C. Okay. Now when you reverse this number, suppose ABC is reverse CBA, CBA. When you reverse this number, then now it will become 100C plus 10B plus A. Now you have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, now here subtracting. In case of, so here two cases are there, three cases are there. If A is greater than C, what is the A? This is A and this is C. If A is greater than C, then you have to minus like this. Okay, this minus this. Then when it is minus subtracted, so after subtraction it is coming 99A minus 99C. That means the common is coming 99A minus C. That means 99 is the multiple of this subtraction. Okay, that's why here it is divided by 99. Then there will be no remainder. Understood what is the trick here? Why it is divided by 99? Next, if C is greater than A, that means this C is greater than A. Then what will do? This is the C case. That's why you have to put this first. You have to subtract this to this. See, it's 100C plus 10B plus A. So this to this you have to subtract. Here also coming 99 C minus A. Now it is reversed. See, it was in proper order. Now after reversing it is C minus A when C is greater than A. Here also you have to divide by 99 because 99 is the multiple of this subtraction. Okay, and of course if A equal to C, the difference is 0. Suppose C and A are equal, then it will be what? If you subtract it, it will be 0. So the resulting answer will be what? 0. So in this way you can do this problem, you can do this trick. Okay, three-digit number. So here it is given, try this. So let's do this. So check the result. If Meenakshi had chosen the number shown below. Okay, in each case keep a record of the question obtained at the end. So we'll see by doing this process. Okay, now see 132. So when you reverse this number 231, so reverse is 231. Now we'll subtract these two numbers. Okay, so after subtraction it is coming 99. Now what you have to do? We have to divide this answer by 99. So when you divide 99 divided by 99, it is coming as 1. Okay, so the remainder is 0, the answer is 1. Now we'll check whether this answer is correct or incorrect. How we'll check? The previous process we have seen, we have to minus these two numbers. Okay, this is C, this is A. C minus A. So C minus A is what? 2 minus 1 is coming 1. So here our 1 is coming, right? So in this way you can check our answer. So it is correct. So here the difference of the first and last digit will be what? 2 minus 1, it is coming 1. That means both are matching, both are checked. So this process is correct. So this is our question. So in this case we have seen that C is greater than A. Now let's take another type of question where A is greater than C. Suppose this one 4 number. A is greater than C. Okay, let's see this. So reverse of 901 is what? 109. Now we subtract these two numbers. So when we subtract this number, it is coming as 792. Now we'll divide by 99. So 792 divided by 99. So when we dividing, it is coming as 8. Okay. Now we'll see our answer is wrong or right. So what we do here, A is greater than C, that means we will minus 9 minus 1 will subtract. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So that means our answer is correct. Okay. So here you can see the difference of the first and last digits are 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Both are correct. So I think you have understood the concept of this. So now we're going to start letters for digits. So this is not required. Okay, leave this one. We'll start letters for digits. That means this is a puzzle type question. There will be combination of letters and digits in a sum or multiplication. Okay, that means sum means addition and multiplication. So you have puzzles in each letter to takes place of digits in arithmetic sum. The problem is to find out whether, which letter represents which digit. It is like cracking a code. So it is like a coding. So it is secret code, like a secret code. Somebody sends any message in a secret code. So how to decode the secret code? Okay, so here are some tips. Here are some questions. Here are some techniques how to decode any number. How can you decode any letter? So here we will see about addition and multiplication in this chapter. Okay, let's see. So here the rules given. Here the rules about two rules about solving this puzzle is given. So each letter in the puzzle must stand for just one digit. Okay, each letter in one letter means one digit, not more than that. Each digit must be represented by just one letter, and in the reverse of this, that means one digit, that means one letter. It cannot be more than one. Okay, one letter means one digit means one letter. Understood? The first rule. The first digit of a number cannot be 0. Okay, if any digit is there, suppose this is 63, so 63 cannot start with 0. It is it cannot be written as 063 0063. 63 means 63. The first digit cannot be 0. So these are the main two rules. Okay, now a rule that we would like to follow is that a puzzle must have just one answer. Okay, so here we'll see the example number 1 given the rule about find Q in the addition. You have to find the letter Q in this addition. You can see the addition here. So how to find this letter? So this chapter is all about puzzle, game, everything. Okay, that's why its name is playing with numbers. So here you have to find out, you have to apply your brain, you have to apply your logic to find this addition. Two rules are given, then also you have to apply your logic, your brain. Okay, find Q in this addition. How to find Q? Here you can see Q plus 3 is 1, 1 plus Q is 0. So what will be the digit in place of Q? So how to find this? So here the solution is given. There is just one letter Q whose value have to be found. So study the addition in the one column. This is one column, Q plus 3. So Q plus 3, obviously there will be what, 2-digit number. When you add this Q plus 3, 2-digit number, we get 1, that is a number whose one's digit is 1. That means after adding this Q plus 3, we will get 2-digit number. That 2-digit number will have 1 as the ones place number. So here it is explained like that. That means after adding this number, you will get 2-digit number like this AB. And here 1 is given, because when we add anything, if 2-digit number comes, we always write the ones place digit, right? So that means this B is written here. We have to find this A. That means this 1 is written, ones place digit is written. So this is explained in this line. So you have to apply your brain. What you add with 3 that so that we'll get a number whose ones place is 1. So we'll add what? 7, suppose 6 plus 3, 9 coming, no 2-digit number. 7 plus 3, 10 coming. So in 10, the unit place is 0, but here unit place is 1. So you have to see with what 8. If 8 plus 3, then it is what coming 11, and unit place is 1. That means we got here. So the number will be what? The q value will be 8. Now understood? In this way you have to analyze. So q value will be 8. So here it is written, for this to happen the digit q should be 8. So the puzzle can be solved like this. The q value will be 8. 8 plus 3, 11, and in hand 1. 1 plus 1, 2, and here 8. 8 plus 2, what? 10. So 0 here and 1 again. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So in this way. So if we put 8 here, then the puzzle is solved in this way. Okay, in this way you have to keep in mind about the ones place. Understood? So try to solve this, try to understand this by yourself. So in the next video we'll see more examples and the exercise. Okay, till then, thank you.